Welcome back to our channel, Optimal Digital Delights. Now, this is an ongoing video session or series of videos that we've put together for you to understand the Pacific Engagement Visa. Now, this is personal research and in an effort to help Papua New Guineans to seek better opportunities. It's not sponsored by PEV or any other organization under Australian government. Okay, let's go straight into the video. From our first two videos, we did step-by-step on how to do application for PEV online. And then we did a video on the announcement of the successful PEV applicants from the first round of selection. And now we are putting this video to help those ones that have been selected and future PEV selected applicants for you to use as guide for you to pursue this opportunity for PEV. Okay, so at the moment there is an ongoing interview session online and in person for those applicants that have been selected in August 2024. Now you can go online to the PEV website support service and help yourselves to the type of services that include seeking support for employment through those services, as well as doing health checks and more general instruction on how you will best transition into Australia through this program. You can there's a step-by-step on how you will do it, how you will best understand the process. They will help you find employment and best settle into Australia through the Pacific Engagement Visa website support service, or they have another Facebook page, PEV, that is allocated entirely for helping applicants understand the process. Now, when you're selected, like I said, there's a support service for you to engage you to small, medium, and large business organization to find jobs in Australia. So make appointment now and get yourself a slot, and you can go online or in person on the allocated dates to get yourself someone to guide you through the process. Okay, the IELTS checks for everyone, which you have included in the benefits or as dependents. So make sure you complete the IELTS checks for everyone on the list, including yourself as the primary applicant, and select from the list of approved hospitals that are listed on the website. Don't go to any other organization or health or facilities, hospitals, and get a medical clearance done. Make sure to go to the approved organizations. And then when you're done, everybody's passport, health clearance, character checks, especially for the primary applicant, is been finalized. You can go back to your ME account online, select from the list of visas, go to Pacific Engagement Visa, and do your process of the Pacific Engagement Visa application. Thanks for watching. This is all we have to bring to you. We wish you all the best in your application, and we'll see you on the next round of Pacific Engagement Visa. Bye for now.